Okay, so you've created a smart lender and you want to put it to work. You want to assign your smart lender to one or multiple domain names in your portfolio. So how does this work? Let's get started with a single domain name. If you want to assign your smart lender to a single domain name within your portfolio, simply go and search for it within the search box or from the portfolio page. In this case, I want to assign my mountain smart lender I just assigned to lender.io. Go to the domain name and click on Edit. And then under the Marketing tab, look for the theme picker. Here you will see the current for sale landing page template your domain is using, and any smart lenders you have created will now show on the top of the drop-down menu. Select the one you want to use, scroll down, click Save, and you're done. Your new smart lender is now assigned to this single domain name. Always go to the actual domain name to check what your smart lender looks like and see if everything is working as you had envisioned it. Make sure to check everything before you go ahead and assign this smart lender to your entire portfolio. So how does it work if you want to assign your smart lender to multiple domain names or your entire portfolio? Well, there's two different ways to do this. One is via the bulk editor within your portfolio page, and the other one is through the CSV bulk edit and upload tool. Now let's get started with the bulk editor within the portfolio page. Navigate to Domains Portfolio, and here select the domain names in your account you want to assign your smart lender to. Click on Edit Selection, go to Bulk Edit, and here look again for the landing page theme and change it into your smart lender. Now, instead of doing this one by one, click the little duplicate icon here, which will copy this field's content to all the fields. Click Yes, I'm sure. And now you can see the value is pasted to 3 input fields. And when you click OK, you can scroll down and process the change. Now I have assigned this smart lender to the handful of domain names through the bulk editor. Now, what if you have a large portfolio? The bulk editor is great, but we don't recommend it to update, 100 or more domains at a time. So if you want to do that, use the CSV bulk upload and edit tool. You can find it by clicking either on the green button in the top of your FT Investor account and then click on CSV bulk import. But you can also exit this through the bulk import and update menu item in the left-hand side of your account. Now here, click the green New Import and Update button and then download a CSV template of your existing portfolio. Open it, and here you will see a CSV file. Now, in my case, I need to change the text to column data before it's usable. So I go to comma and I finish. Here I have a CSV file of my entire portfolio. And now you look for this column that says landing page theme, and you look for the shortcode. So within the CSV file, we're not using the name of your smart lender, but we're using the shortcode, which is very important information to understand, because for bulk updates within the CSV editor, you always use the shortcode. I want to assign this mountain theme, which has this shortcode, to the entire portfolio. So I simply drag it like this and assign it to all of the all of the domain names within my account. Of course, I can also use the CSV bulk editor for updating the buy it now prices, payment provider, and so on. But I want to show you how to assign the smart lender theme. So this is the only change I'm going to make. Now save your file as a CSV, place it somewhere where it's easy to find back, and go back to the bulk import and update tool, and now add your file to your portfolio. Make sure to choose override existing domains because you want this new change to be applied across the portfolio. Choose, scroll down and click on Start Upload and Processing. Now, if you have a large CSV file, this might take a little while. Can take up to a few minutes, but it's fairly easy. You can come back a little later, keep the page open, but to see if it has updated, you can click the little refresh icon here or navigate to the pending user review tab, which is where your CSV file will show once it's updated. I'm just going to wait a little bit and keep you hanging here because I want to show you what it looks like if you process this change through the bulk CSV tool. So let's give it another refresh, and here we go. Now I can see the job is almost finished. It says 6 domains will be processed, all of them are valid, and no errors have been found in the file. So I can simply click Review and Import. And then if there are any errors within my CSV file, I can find them back here. But since all has been well, I can check here and I can see the new landing page theme, which has been assigned. And I'm going to process the file right now. And that's it. That's really how simple it is to assign smart lenders in bulk to your entire portfolio.